disassemble this machine. We've been making ice cream all day with this. We just ran a few rinse cycles of water through the machine just to rinse out and melt all the ice cream and get it out of here. And now we're going to disassemble the whole unit. I'm going to start by getting a bucket so I can put my parts in here. We're going to remove the front and then work our way toward the back. One thing to note is that this door is open in the front, and that means that there's no water in there, no ice cream or anything, so we just want to make sure we do that. We open this door up before we actually disassemble this machine. The way that this part will come off is you just lift up this arm so it's loose, and then you can pull the locking pin out. So we'll put that pin in the bucket. We will lower the door down, pull this out, and then we're going to have to actually open the door. Open the door to remove the front section. And it comes right out like that. We have our gasket puller, which your machine will come with its own gasket puller. Get right in there and pop your O-rings out so we can wash these in the sink. Okay, that's the front of the machine. So we're going to turn to the inside of the door here, and we have a fairly large door gasket there. Again, just put our little gasket puller in. Pulls that guy right off. Wash that out. Go ahead and take the entire head off the machine and the door off the machine, and we can wash this, bring it right to the sink. Now we're ready to disassemble the auger. What we're going to do is just kind of pull it out a little bit so we can get the first blade accessed, and it'll just pop right off. Just push by the other side and it just comes right off. And the last one. Now we'll remove our rear seal, put that in there. Now we have our auger, and we can take this right into the sink as well to wash. And we have all of our parts here to wash. So that concludes the disassembly. Now that we have all the parts apart, we would take a brush and we would wash everything out inside this barrel. We would wash all the parts. We would air dry them after we sanitize them and leave them to be ready to be assembled in the morning.